Look, you may say an onion is just an onion, but what if I told you that the one you pick may actually have a big impact on your health? I'm talking about the onions you're chopping into your salad. They might look the same, but what they do inside your body, totally different. I used to just pick whichever onion I found, but actually doing the research, I realized what I had been missing out on. Red versus white. Which one really wins? Let's find out. Think about this. Onions are in almost everything we eat. Salads, soups, stir-fries, sauces. Most of us just grab whichever is on sale, thinking it's all the same. But here's something interesting. Onions contain natural compounds that research suggests may affect things like blood sugar, heart health, and inflammation. And while it might be obvious that red and white onions are different, I couldn't believe how different they actually were. So to understand why, let's take a closer look at what's actually inside an onion. So what's actually inside an onion? Both red and white onions are low in calories and contain fiber, vitamin C, and compounds called flavonoids and sulfur molecules. Research shows these are linked to a range of health benefits. But here's the thing, color really matters. Red and yellow onions tend to have more antioxidants, including quercetin and anthocyanins. The darker the onion, the more protective compounds it carries. One lab study even found that red onion husks had almost 6 times more flavonoids than white onion husks. That right there really got me, and it shows the importance of variety in foods when it comes to health. And that brings us right into the star of the video, the red onion. Red onions aren't just there to add color. That deep purple shade actually means something. It comes from natural pigments called anthocyanins, the same ones found in blueberries and black rice. These compounds help your body manage everyday stress and keep things in balance. Red onions also carry antioxidants like quercetin, camphorol, and isoramnitin, plant compounds that support heart health and help reduce inflammation. Quercetin especially has been studied for its role in supporting healthy blood pressure and protecting cells from damage. And compared to white onions, red ones usually contain almost twice as many of these protective plant compounds. So when you add red onions to your meals, you're not just adding taste, you're giving your body a small boost at the same time. I actually use more yellow than white onions in my cooking, but I began to use more red as well. Here's a tip. Adding just a little red onion daily could be an easy way to up your antioxidant intake, and your body will thank you. But what about white onions? They may not be colorful or bright, but they still have a role in your kitchen. Now let's talk about white onions. Don't write them off. They still bring value. White onions are milder in flavor and slightly higher in natural sugars, which can make them easier for some people to digest. However, most studies show they generally have lower levels of antioxidants and flavonoids than red or yellow varieties. That doesn't mean they're bad. They still offer vitamin C, fiber, and sulfur compounds that support metabolism and immune function. It just means if your goal is to maximize antioxidants, red onions give you more punch per bite. Of course, even the healthiest onion can lose some benefits depending on how you prepare it, which is why cooking matters. How you prepare the onion matters just as much as the color. Cooking, especially high-heat frying or long boiling, can reduce antioxidant levels dramatically. Raw or lightly cooked red onions keep far more of their anthocyanins and flavonoids. Also, the outer layers, even just under the skin, are often richest in polyphenols, so peeling off too much can mean tossing away some of the benefit. Tip: use raw onions in salads, pickled red onions, or give them a light sauté to keep that balance between taste and nutrition. A small change in cooking method can make a big difference in how much nutrition you actually get. So if your goal is maximum health benefit, red onions win for their higher antioxidant and flavonoid content. White onions still have their place. They're great for long cooking, milder dishes, or if you have a sensitive stomach, but they're not as potent nutritionally. Here's my quick useful tips. Include red onion raw in salads or salsas. Use white onion where cooking long. It doesn't have to go to waste. Remember, onions alone won't transform your health. They're just one small piece of a bigger picture. And here's a reminder. You could eat an onion every day, but if the rest of your diet isn't balanced, the benefit won't mean much. Next time you grab onions at the store, think about how the color and type could actually affect your health. It's a small but smart choice. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new here. I post healthy foods and their benefits for you. Also, drop a comment. Do you prefer red or white onion? And would you switch now that you know the difference? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.